Ever feel like your Canva projects are all over the place? You're not alone. In 2025, Canva has made it super easy to organize everything neatly with folders. And in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can keep your designs clean, structured, and easy to find. Let's dive in. When you're on Canva's homepage, look at the left sidebar and click Projects. This is where all your designs, uploads, and templates live. Now, to create a new folder, simply click the More or Add New button, depending on your view, and then choose New Folder. A pop-up will appear where you can type the name of your folder. Go ahead and give it a name that fits what you'll store there, like client work, thumbnails, or social media posts. Once you're done, hit Create Folder. Just like that, your new folder is ready. You can now drag and drop your existing designs into that folder or click Move to Folder on any design to keep things organized. And here's something a lot of people don't know. You can even make folders directly inside the Canva editor. While designing, open the Projects tab from the left-hand menu, click the three dots, and select New Folder. This is super handy if you want to save your work without leaving the editor. The best part? You can create as many folders as you want, share them with team members, and even use them to manage brand assets or client files. Perfect for staying productive and clutter-free. So, if your Canva workspace feels chaotic, take a minute to organize it today. Your future self will thank you for it. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and start organizing your Canva projects right now, because a tidy workspace means a clearer mind and smoother creativity.